What's up, guys? Matt here from Matt's Lock Shop. What's going on? As promised in the last video, I'm going to go over my pick kit. I use a Global Tex Pro case. This is the one that they advertise holding the 4 leashes. It'll hold a little bit more. It's kind of chaos in here though, but I like the size because I can fit it in my pocket. We'll open her up here and we'll start going through the stuff. So it's pretty much a residential kit. Carry M1 leashy, which are pretty much, to be honest, I don't use too much. S4 leashy, S1 leashy, and KW1 leashy. The traveler's hook, shrum tool, right hand plug spinner, scratch owl, I have warded padlock, pick keys on there, and I also have a handcuff key. You never know. So, here I have a broken key extractor set and quick set reset tool. Also threw in here, I guess, a straw for a can of Houdini. And before I get into the picks and the tension tool, one last thing, I have a paper clip. Give me another pokey tool. Comes in handy at times. So if I start with the turning tools, carry an Allen wrench, which can also be used as a turning tool, and an Allen wrench. And I just have a couple of different turning tools, some with a twist, some not with a twist. This is for a tulip knob, so it can reach into the keyway past the knobs. That's a leashy Allen wrench. I have a pry bar. It says 50 on it. I want to say this, I bought one as a Peterson pry bar. I like my tension wrenches to usually be pretty rigid. So this, I believe, is a Sparrows. Double-ended tension wrench. And another one. A little shorter. Get in a little tighter. I don't really carry a whole lot of picks with me. I do have a lot of picks, but not with me usually. I carry 2 Peterson hooks. I really like these Sparrows rakes for raking. I have 3 in here at the moment. And I carry, started out with HBC. Back when I started, was about the only picks you could find. There's a lot more makers out there right now, but HBC was pretty much it. So I'm kind of partial to HBC picks just because I've used them. So I carry a number of hooks. They're all pretty much the same hook from HBC. This hook here, I filed. Come on, focus in there. The tip's on. It's on my Instagram. You can see it better. But it's filed into a V shape, and know one of the manufacturers, I think, call that a monkey paw. Don't know why. But it'll catch a pin pretty quick, pretty easy, and let you know where you're at. I also use a half diamond, which I really like using half diamonds, and a rake. I don't know if you guys can see them. They're focusing in or not. Maybe you can see them. I don't know. Can you see that? Good question, huh? I got something here I can use. This is what I carry on me to every job. This is my EDC kit. Anybody interested? I do have picks on my bench that sit here pretty much all the time. They pretty much consist of the same things. I have a couple of sparrows, diamonds, and half ball, and another rake from HBC at the moment, and another double-ended tension wrench. I do like this one. This one gets into tight doorknobs, deadbolts, and it's pretty solid. Other than that, that's pretty much my EDC pick kit. I do have other picks. Talk about that. I have quite a few actually. And leashy tools. But this is what I carry every day. And everything I pretty much have to open, I can do with this kit. At least what I've encountered so much so far. In the area I'm at now. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Like and subscribe. Thank you. This was Matt from Matt's Lock Shop.